Hello my fellow organisers, and welcome to Let's Organise and to my world of being organised. Today I am going to do a room tour of my study. So I will show you what my study looks like and how I organise it to be efficient and effective in what I do. I will also refer back to previous videos that I've done where I have touched on some of the things that is happening in my office. So today will just be an overall view of what is happening in this study of mine and how I operate. Your home office or your study must be a place that you would like to go to. So surround yourself with beautiful decor and photos and quotes if you like quotes and things that are sentimental to you. I always bring stuff back from overseas, and a lot of the things that's on my desk and in my office are things that reminds me of overseas trips or special times with my family. So make it personal, and best of all, keep it organized so that you're always productive. The moment you feel you're not productive, take a break, and then you come back with new energy and you do what you have to do. There you will see the entrance to my office, and to the left of that is my white chest of drawers. I have referred to this chest of drawers in my gift wrap storage video, so please feel free to watch that if you want to get some tips on how to store your gift wrapping. I'll just quickly show you what is on the inside of the drawers. Okay, the top two drawers, I then have these little boxes in here, which is my memory boxes. So I keep in here letters and cards that I receive from my husband and my children, and things that are special to me, like this little pebble that I've picked up on the Molivos beach and was given to my friend, by my friend to me. So these are all my special memory boxes. And then in here I also have some photos that I keep that I don't sometimes put in frames and don't use it anymore, and then I just put it in here. And then I've got some extra things like tissues and wipes and some extra stock that I put in there for my office. And then in the other drawer is then where I keep all my things for the gift wrapping. Okay, so in here is my scissors and my pen that I use to write my cards. These are my little gift cards that I've got in here. And then this is the ribbon that I put there, things that I use to decorate with. I've got some raffia in there, and then some extra stationery and more cards, sellotape, the tissue paper is in here. But yeah, for all of this stuff you can have a look at the gift wrap storage video where you will find more tips on this. Okay, then in this drawer I also have the gift wrapping rolls. I've got boxes. This one says school stationery, so that's where I keep the extra stationery for the boys. That's extra stationery for me. And this is some of Let's Organise goodies that's in here, and I've got some more wrapping paper on this side. In this drawer I've got photo albums at the back there, and I also have receipts, medical receipts in here, and then on the left I've got some more gift wrapping bags. And then the last drawer this is what I call my combo drawer. In here I've got different things like the cell phone boxes that I keep in there, and also boxes that I keep for warranties. I've got some extra filing stuff, puzzles, so this is just my drawer that things don't really belong in a place, so they all go together into this drawer. Then to the right of the entrance I've got some family photos up there, I've got some shopping bags, and then also my pea caps that I use for running and boot camp. And then further on I've got 2 windows with a beautiful view outside that I can look at and have the nature surrounded me when I'm doing office work. And then I've got my desk there with some drawers on the left hand side, and on the side of the chair there's another drawer and a little cupboard. And I use these cupboards for stationery and for filing. And then I've also done a video on filing admin and unopened mail, where you can see what is happening there. And I've also got a video on how to manage your emails. So feel free to have a look at that and get some tips on managing your emails and your filing and your admin and your unopened mail. Then on this side of the desk, I've got the printer. And in this little cupboard at the bottom of my desk is the extra printing paper. So when I run out of paper, it is quite easily accessible. The printer is also close by, so when I do printing, I can just reach over and get that. And then at the bottom of that printer, there's little holders where I keep my memory sticks and all computer accessories. And then to the right of that is my filing cabinet. You'll see that all my files are labelled. Again, you can refer to the filing video. Okay, and then I've got some paintings and a side table and the famous red chair that I always sit in and do my videos. Moving on from the right chair, I have this display also with some photos and a saying that says, "Save the Earth, it's the only planet with chocolate." Clearly I am a chocoholic. And then when you go around, we are back at the white cupboard again. The key thing about your home office is that you have to be organized and things must be close by. So always have stationery on your desk that you use on a regular basis. Have spare ones in one of the drawers. So I have a box where I put my extra stationery in that I will need in the office. Then things like the stapler and eraser and ruler, that is in the top drawer right on my right hand side, so it is easy to use that. As I mentioned, the printer is close by. Always have extra office stationery and do your filing on a regular basis. And then the last thing is how to prevent procrastination. I've also done a video on that to get you through that, because ultimately we also have to get the work done in the office. A key rule for me is my children is not allowed in my office, otherwise it becomes their playground, and this is my space, so hands off to them. Okay, just to show you what that little box looked like. This is the box that I was talking about with my office stationery. It's labelled, and then in here I've got extra print cartridges, ink cartridges, I've got some extra staples, I've got extra pens, I've got extra tape for my label machine, and I've also got my label machine in here. And then I've got a little holder for the batteries that I use in my label maker. I've put in there that these batteries are in use, because the lifespan of the batteries just lasts longer if you don't keep it in the printing or the label maker itself. So that is what's in this drawer. And then in here is where I put my filing. Again, you can refer to the filing and admin video to see what that is about. And then this is the drawer that's allowed to be messy. This is where the stuff is in that I need to deal with or need to action. And this side is the stapler that I use, my calculator, the punch, things like, I've got these containers, so things like Tipp-Ex and Pritt, and then also my paper clips and the other stationery, my ruler is here on the side. So this is the stationery that I use. My pens are on my desk in a little holder. And then here is the extra printing paper, and there's another ream down there, and this is current medical slips that I keep in for this current financial year. So once I'm done with the financial year, it goes into the white chest of drawers with the other medical receipts. If you've liked this video, then please press like, share and subscribe. Subscription is free. You can also follow me via Facebook and Instagram. Happy organizing!